So when it is coming to MetaHuman, so basically when we want to create a character, it will take a lot of time for us, and it need multiple softwares to get need to be used to get a realistic output. But MetaHuman is one place where you can get a realistic character, okay, within Unreal itself. So let's start how the process it will go. So when we get into Unreal, when we are launching, so we should make sure like creator core data should be on. Okay, then you can just launch. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think you can hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. So 5.6 we are launching. Okay, now slow. Hi, Kevin.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. My God, something else is there. Why it's so slow? Okay, I'll get in here. So I need to select the third person. I'm just taking. Okay. So now just I'll create. So now this is third person, okay, template. Now you can directly go and play from here. Okay. So this is your third person template. Now when I want to get my character, it means the blueprint character, sorry, my MetaHuman character. So meta, if I type also, if I just go here, right click, if I say here, see here I can't see anywhere MetaHuman, right? I can't see any MetaHuman here. So first thing is that particular core data, and next what I need to enable is this plugin. Okay, and in this if I type meta, okay, meta creator, right? MetaHuman creator. Okay, this is what which is important. Now I'll select that and I'll just restart it. Restart now. Okay, so I got my file right now. Now if I just get in to this meta, right click, see right now I got, okay, my MetaHuman. Now I will go and create my MetaHuman character and I'll name it as meta underscore Bala. So when I try to open this, so it is always says like missing project settings. You can say like once it started, then you can say like enable missing. Now again it will ask. So enable missing, and then the moment when you do that, it will ask for restart again. So save your file, and you say like restart now. It took some time for us, but from now onwards it will be quite smooth. So let me select one of the character, any of the character if I want. Okay, I'll just double click that. Okay, so now we have this character. So now the moment when you want to blend, right now this is a character which is a default character. Now if you want to edit it and if you want to compose with any other characters, now I can take multiple characters for that. If I want to make him little bit bulky also, I can do that. Okay, so I can take like this and little bit more. See, so I have taken something like little bit bulky character. Now, okay, when I select here the interstate and see right now, so how much much I want. So as it is a bulky character, now the same way I want to do it for the chest also. Neck, chest, and hands. See, right now I did something like a bit of bulky character of the character whatever is mine. So I did a little bit of bulky character right now. If I go for head, in the head also I can do the same way. So now I can select it here. Hello guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm taking multiple heads. So right now the chin I can cover with, and eyebrows I can take it, and cheeks also I can use that. Okay, lips, or I can select any kind of character. Okay, now completely I'm changing it into a different character right now. Okay, the same way colors I can choose. The color tone I can completely change. See, now character is completely changed, right? The densities and some stains on top of his face for the age and everything. You people know, like, see, to do something like realistic texture this much, how much efforts it needs, right? So such a quality, and with a hair also. Okay, if for example, I want to take little bit of bigger hair so that I can show you some kind of damping or movement. Okay, let me select this hair. Okay, right now. Okay, I've taken some character over here. Little bit lean, little bit I will just keep it. Okay, right. Now when this character is there, now what I'll do, I'll say like a create full rig. Okay, so save your file. Any big actions, before doing any kind of bigger actions, you can save your file. Okay, face, when I go here, I want to show you one thing, like if I select sculpt. Okay, if I select the sculpt, okay, see right now I can change manually also. Understood? So previously I was taking some other man reference, right? Right now I can do the changes how I want. Guys, are you able to understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, see, I have created some character, and okay, I'll say like create full rig. So it is started creating complete rig. So when we go for our this one also in this PPT, okay, I will share this with you. So everything is there. So till now here right now the auto rig is going on. Once that is done, okay, we will select the textures and we will go. So let this happen. This will take little bit of time, auto rigging. So it need little bit of space in your system and everything. Okay. rigging is done. But after rigging also, always our textures will be missing because we need to add the textures. So let me go and just download. 2K resolution is right now enough. So I'll just try to download the 2K resolution textures. So we need to download the textures. If you want really high-end character, something like that, you can download even 8K also. So then that is purely depend on your requirement. Okay, how it is. Now once that is done, when I go here, when I select, so here once that particular textures are done, everything, character, everything is done, then here you will get this green symbol. If this particular symbol is not green, if you are not getting this, then you can't export. So here also we can select cinematic or optimized for game, okay, for UEFN, or DCC export is something like if you want to take this model into Maya or Blender also, you can take it. Okay. Yeah. Now let me
Yes, sir.
click optimized and I'll say like, okay, assembly.
Sir, is there any difference in doing it separately and doing it using the Unreal plugin?
I didn't get you doing separately means?
Like, जब आपने क्लास में दिखाया था तब you were doing it.
Yes. Okay. That is before, it means that is 5.5 version, before 5.5. Now
Yes,
5.6, you don't have chance to do it outside.
Oh, okay.
Now outside character you can't get in here.
Okay, तो उसके लिए अलग से plugin है अभी.
Now it is something like from 5.6, you need to do it in Unreal itself. Now they have made it completely.
Oh, okay, sir.
See, problem with that particular specific 5.5 is something like, okay, that is completely another web user. Okay, from there again I need to get connected into Unreal.
Yes,
So
sir.
there is something like a bit of gap is there. So right now we are avoiding that particular gap. Okay.
ठीक.
So right
Okay,
now,
sir.
see here, when I go here, see, I need not to import anything. See, I got my character here.
Yes, sir.
And if I just drag and drop it here, see, I got my character.
Yes, sir.
See? And see the hair, if I just go a little bit away, so see the hair there is a difference, right? See? Can you see? There is a difference in the hair. Right? Guys, can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm losing that particular hair, right? So now what I'll do, I'll just double click this and I'll go to viewport. In this LOD sync is there, right? So this I'll make it 0, simple. Now if I zoom in, zoom out, okay, that hair will be and texture, everything will be stable. Okay. Now I've saved my file. Okay. Right now this is my MetaHuman character. Now I don't need this one, so I'll close this. So I got my character here. Okay. And this one. Clear? Now I want to make sure like now this particular point, okay, I need to get into a third person, right? Whatever the third person links are there, I need to get it here. Okay, one more thing I want to show you like this. Okay, if I just go here and if I create a level sequencer, meta sequence, okay. I'll select my character and I'll just drag it. The moment when I've dragged it here, okay, Okay, the sequencer. See, I got the complete rig. See, Kevin. Now you need not to rig your
Yes.
character. See, you can animate it. Okay, and see if I just we can go and see. So I can do my character including facials. Including facials I can do. See? See? So if it is snapping means come out of this snapping tools. Okay, then okay, it will be freely done. Now right, left, got it? Including if you click here, see? So, and these all are animatable. Everything is animatable. So you know how to animate things, right? You know how to add a key here and everything. In the sequencer I have already explained it, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah, now I'll just close this. I'll come out of this. Now my point is like, if I want to use this particular character as my third person, okay, in place of this character, I want this character. That's it. Okay. So right now that particular process will start. Okay. Now I'm selecting this. Okay. Now I'll just go for my class settings. First, I'll change this particular actor to character. Character. Okay. The moment when I have changed that, I'll get one capsule. Okay. Now this capsule is something like part of a. Now everything I link to this particular capsule only. So right now my body is there. Okay. This one I will directly connect it to mesh. And after that, I don't want this root. I will just delete it. Okay. Right now, this is completely connected to this mesh. Direct. Okay. Now, what is the next thing is, let me select the character. And here, I'll just do it as align with my capsule. Minus 90. And here also, minus 90. Got it? So, I have aligned with my capsule. So, right now, what two things I have done? The first things I like in the class settings, I have changed it to parent class. Parent class I have changed. And next one, what I did, I have set up my this one, right? So now third one, okay. But see here, the moment when I say compile, okay, I have missed my character. Because in this target, I want to create my mesh. Okay, this mesh, I'll connect it to this target. Okay, here. I got my character. Right? So this is something like right now if I select and if I pull it up, okay, it is there. See, now my character is here. Okay, but I need to see one thing like whether it is properly placed with the capsule or whatever, whether if it is ground or what. See, it is a little bit of ground. So what I'll do, I'll select this and I'll say like here 89. See, now it is perfect. Okay. So this, it depends. Sometimes it will go down and up. That we can change it based on the character. Okay. So now this is done. So now next, what is something like, let me go to my third person. Okay. Where is my third person here? If I just go here, blueprint. frames. Here is my third person character. Let me open this. Now this is my third person. So I want right now my third person, okay, should be replaced with this character, right? So whatever I have in my third person, let me take it there. But there is a process. It will not happen just like that. Okay, it has a lot of things to get connected. So now, okay, let me select this both. First, I want to select the camera. Now I'll go here, I'll select the capsule and I'll paste it. So I got this. So what is this camera and what is this spring arm is something like, when I go here, when I go and play, it got stuck. Okay, 5.6 is a little bit doing this kind of things. So keep saving our file, okay, always. Let me close this new task. Okay, so in this everything is there, whatever I have done. Okay, we are at right now this stage. Okay, we are at this stage right now. What was our file name? This one only, right?
Yes, sir. Okay, now my third person, my MetaHuman. Okay, now from third person to here. So what we bought right now only spring arm and this one, right? So here we have. So from here I have copied. So what I want to show is right click. If I say like play, see right now there is a camera behind us, right? And it is going as per my character is moving. So right now what we got here is these both, right? So that is done. And my character is on the ground. Okay. Right. So things are done. Now let me go with the next process. Now what is that? Here. So camera is done. Now I want this third person. Okay. These all animations to be copied. Now we are doing all copy from third person to here, but there is a system. We can't do just like that. Now I'll just go here in the character movement. Okay, I have total 3 variations. Okay, one is movement, walk, and this one. Here also, when I say, when I go and select the character movement, okay, I have these 3, right? Now I'll go here from the third, okay, BP third person, copy. I'll go to Metawala and I'll select paste. Again, come here, I'll select copy and I'll go here, right click, paste. So I'll just go here, copy, come here and paste. Okay, these 3 things are done, right? Now what is next? So now these all are copied. Now I want to copy my blueprint also. Okay, so let me go here and select my blueprint in third person. So what is that? This is my main thing, right? This is what my complete blueprint. of a third person. Control C, and I'll go here, I'll go to my event graph and I'll paste it. But here, okay, when I'm pasting it, will ask for, okay, create matching functions. Okay, whatever the matching functions are there, to that it should get matched. That is what we need to say. Now let it confirm. Okay, now I got this. Okay, now this got confirmed. Now you just save it. So saving your file is something like very, very important. Now here, when I go to a double click, okay, let me see here. I'll just go and do it. Here I don't have anything called attached. All right. So let me copy this left and right, up and down. Okay, this is one of the first aim, right? So let me connect this here, here. Remember these connections. Okay. Now this is done. Now let's go here again to event graph. Now I need it in the move. Again, this one you have it. Copy everything. Come here. Event graph. Double click. So right now we are doing for the move. See, move left, right, and front, back, forward and backward. So this is the main connection, and these are the both connections. See, right now this is something like it got into scale value and this one into the scale value. Okay, this is add movement input, add movement input. So this is defaultly done. So I'm just trying to utilize that. Okay. So now after doing this, okay, now I have done this movement, aim and movement. Guys are able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And see right now after that, our character has to rotate also, right? In that there is no rotation. Okay, these are the both things, rotation and yaw. Okay, so I'll just go here. I'll select my, here. In this, I'll select like orient. So orient should be checked on. Got it? So orientation, okay, rotation. This one and one more is like YAW. AW. So this use controller rotation. Yeah. Okay. This should be off. What are these both? For example, my mouse, if it is moving, right? So based on that, my axis should move. It should rotate. Got it? So these are the
Yes, sir.
things what we need to do next. Right? So after this particular thing, now we will see like our character should be coming into the play area. But if I want to do that right now, if I click, if I'm playing also, still my third person is only coming. Why? Because here in my world settings, okay, here in the game, this one, still third person is only there. Default pawn class is third person. This one I select to BP MetaHuman. Okay. Now I'll select, I'll say right click, and here is my character. Okay. Now my third person came. But right now, still we didn't do the animations. So guys, this is what I say like when someone say like I want to do a game. So doing a game in Unreal is something like it is not just to import a character and do it. You need animations for that. Each and every element need animations. Okay. So now we did this. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now the blueprint animations where we have. I'll just go to character, mannequin, anim, and anam. Okay, now this is the place of my, okay, what is this? Animation blueprint. What is this? ABP means animation blueprint. Now I'll select this, right click, and I'll retarget. So I want my animations. So these animations to which character I want? See here. skm meta bala, right? This is what file we have created, right?
Yes, sir.
Like this. I have selected this, and from which one I want? ABP unarmed, right? Now when I say export animations, here I got this. Now inside the character, if we don't do this particular naming structure also, it is fine, but later it will be tough for us to control it. Right now I create one folder named as MetaHuman. Okay, in that I create new folder. So I think you people remember right now, okay, this particular naming structure only we got that unarmed, right? I'll show you once again. So I got it here, and here search for Bala. So I'll just show you what happens. Okay, now I've selected this and I'll say like export. Export. See right now everything, okay, they got my name here, right? Bala. Right? So
Yes, sir.
here are animations from where we got from mannequins, animations unarmed, right or wrong? This is the same flow what we have. Now the same flow we have created here also. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear right now? Why we have created this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now I'll just drag this and I'll go for, okay, I'll just change this position of this only, okay, animation blueprint, right? Now, what I need to do? Now, first of all, when I create a character right now, he's coming in T pose, right? A pose. But I have some animations right now. So if I want to change that, so now I'll select this particular ABP Bala and I'll just go here, go to third person. I'll select the character. Okay, here animation class is there, right? I will just click on here. See right now? Now I got that kind of flow here, right? So now let me see what happens. Now we got the animations also, right? Now if I just go and play here, right now my character is there. But if I go, his legs are not moving. Because the problem is from one control rig to this one, when I'm getting it here, I don't have the foot IK. Okay. So this particular thing didn't created the foot IK. So I'll just double click, open this one. Okay. I'll go to skeleton. Okay. See, these are all things, whatever I'm just specifying here right now. You can have step-by-step process in this PDF. Okay. This PDF also I'll share. Okay. So that you can check, okay, if you're confused anywhere. So now we are here. Now let me go to that skeleton and create a, okay, virtual bone. Right now I need to create a virtual bone. Okay, now this one I don't want. It is done. I'm closing this. So I'll select this root. Okay, before this, check like if anything saving is missing or not. Okay, otherwise just go and save your file, save all. See? Now completely everything is saved, right? Now I'll just go to my bone here, right click, add virtual bone to the root. Okay, right now here I'll say like IK, okay, underscore foot, okay, root. Now let me select here, right click again, virtual bone. Here I say like foot. So now foot, right I'll click, and here okay, foot right, it is created right now. Now I'm creating one more, okay, virtual bone for left. So both are created right now. Now I'll just save my file. Okay. Now I'll go here. I'll select my anim. Okay, graph. I'll just double click here. So when I got here, so this one, okay, right now I need to add that particular bones to this control rig. So where we are missing that particular control rig bones in the control rig only, right? So now let me select this and go to this particular control rig okay folder. So I got it here. Now what I'll do, I'll just duplicate this. Okay. Now I'll duplicate this. Kevin, are you able to understand or?
Yes, sir, I can.
Hello?
Yes, sir. I can understand.
Hello?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why can't I hear you?
No,
Okay,
sir, you are
sometimes.
audible.
Okay, right then. So right now, see here, now this one it is there. Now I'll say like save all. So this one it got saved. Now I'll open this joint structure. Okay, now here it is there. Now this one, okay, this particular joint structure I have, but I need to change it to what? My BP character, right? That skeleton should come here. So I'll select it here and I'll go for refresh. In this, here I have, right? Now this one I need to replace here. Okay. So let me go here, go back. Now this is done for me right now. Third person also I finished closing. Okay. Now let me go here and save. Save all. Yes. Now this is the symbol. Right now it got replaced. Okay. Now I'll double click open again. Okay. Now here refresh. Now here when I go here, see it is still mannequin is there, right? Now I'll go select this MetaHuman and I'll change it here. See here right now what you can see CR mannequin, right? Foot IQ.
Yes, sir.
Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Some problem with my headphones, I think. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you responding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry, I can't. Okay, there is problem with my headphones, I think. Yeah. Now, okay, here I'm just changing it. Right now, see there is a meta, right? Yeah. Now, if I save, see here, problem with my legs. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now to solve this one, I'll just double click this and I'll open here. So here is the one. I will just go here, click. I'll say, okay, VB, foot left. Here, again, VB, foot right. Total 6 places you will have. Okay. VB, foot left. VB, foot right. VB left. VB right. Okay. Now compile, saved. All are saved right now. My foot is right now proper. Now if I just go here and play, see my MetaHuman is ready. Okay. Now I want to show you one thing. So previously in this particular, okay, here, I'll close this. Okay, I'll just close this one right now. Okay, this one also I'll close. Now, where is my MetaHuman? So if I double click open, when I select this here, okay. Now orientation, we kept this one, right? We switched on this one, right? So now
Yes, sir.
switch it off. See what will happen, I will show you. Now when I play my character, okay, he's running. But see here what's happening. Understood? So
Yes,
he's
sir.
running in a different axis. Okay, he's not making me to turn my camera. Now the moment when I click on this, now if I just go and play here, oh no. Oh. Again it got stuck. Hope we have saved the file. Now if I right click and play, yes. See right now I can move in front and again he'll turn back. Okay, understood? Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So are you understood? It means have you understood why that particular orientation difference I have shown you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is some issue with my headphones. Okay. It's not your problem. Okay, but see here each and every element, okay, I have added. Right. So just for once, can you switch on your cameras? Okay. Hope you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool then. So I'll share the PPT.
Okay.
Try to do this output and show it to me once. See
Okay.
guys, right now it is something like one MetaHuman character. You can, okay, get it into your scene and you can make that particular character to move around. And that will be your character. No one will have that specific specifications. You can take your time to do this particular character as you want, right? You have a lot of elements in that skin texture, everything, right? So try to do and try to get one character. Okay? Right, guys? See you.
Thank
Okay?
you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Bye. Yeah.